Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We're here with a tutorial on the dashboard in the Esperio Broker. As you saw, we registered and verified our identity in this broker and made deposits and withdrawals using various methods. Now we have a tutorial on each part of the dashboard in this broker. As you can see, we are on the main page in the My Account section. In this section, by clicking on the Open New Account option, we can create a new account for ourselves. This account can be on the MetaTrader 4 or 5 platforms, and there are various types of accounts available for you. On this page, you can see your different accounts with various currencies and different servers. By clicking on each account, you will see the deposit option. And as we taught you in the deposit related videos, you can use different methods for depositing. By clicking on the action option, you will see other items, which we will explain further. By clicking on your avatar or username, this menu will become available to you. By clicking on the personal data option, you can only view or edit the information you used during the registration of your account. In the Valid Documents section, you can view various documents, including the price contract you agreed upon with this broker. In the Files section, you can view your uploaded files. And in the next section, you can change your account password. Additionally, in the Change Payment Password section, you can change your withdrawal password. And using this option, you can change the site's language. Well, in the left panel, the next option for you is the Withdrawal section. Using this option, you can perform withdrawal operations with various methods after selecting the desired account. And in the Transaction History section, you can view the details of your deposit and withdrawal transactions. On the Exchange Rates page, you can see the rates for various currencies for deposits and withdrawals. And in the next section, if you have used any bonuses, they will be displayed here. In the Support section, you can create a new ticket for any questions or issues you encounter, and after review, receive your response from the support team. And in the Online Consultant section, you can use the live chat support of this site. In the Trading section within the Trading Terminal, after selecting one of your accounts, you can view the login details for this account, or view and download the history related to this account. In the Account History section, you can view the history related to each of your accounts on this page. The Recovery section for security passports is related to the restoration of various passports in your different accounts. In the next section, you can set or change the phone passport related to different accounts. In the Block Trading section, you can block trades in your different accounts. And in the Tick Chart section, after specifying the desired account, currency, and date, you can view the tick chart related to this currency or stock. In the Download Terminal section, you can access the platform. You can download MT4 or NAC MT5 for your platforms. In the Invest section, under Copy Trading, you can copy the trades of other traders, which is fully explained in the educational video of the Copy Trading section. In the Always View section, you can find more news or information related to different currency pairs and stocks. You can view these in various markets and use this information for your own trades. In the Affiliate Tools section, you can invite others to this broker using the available links and receive rewards for inviting your friends and acquaintances to this broker. In the Other section, under VIP, you can request a personal consultant for yourself and consult about investment opportunities and conditions with this broker. In the notifications section you can change the settings for various notifications from the site. And in the bonus 24 section, you can search for and activate bonuses related to your account over different time periods. Well, that was the complete tutorial on the various sections of the Esperio broker. For more tutorials, stay with us. Goodbye.